So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So yeah, so today we are going to discuss about how I made this website using AI. What website? Just wait, I'll show you. Right. So why today's era AI is powerful? So I'm gonna show you. Right. So as you can see, this is my website in my background as well as in the screen. Right. So, Dave Portfolio, which name is Dave Portfolio, right? And this website is made only by using AI, right? Only using AI. Actually, my speaking skills is not well good, so just try to understand what I'm gonna to say you, right? And what is the purpose of my thoughts, right? So here is you can see this is my website Dave Portfolio, and it is made by only AI, and I didn't write a single line of code, right? So first we need to get start. Click on get started button, and here as you can see, it's our sign up page. So here we need to fill up our information, which full name, username, email, password, and that's it, right? And just click on create account. Now, this is our login page. So here we just fill up our information and to put out our password on it, and just click on sign in button. And now, as you can see, here is our dashboard, app dashboard. So here we can see our portfolio views, project clicks, projects, skills, experience, and etc. Whatever you want to uh, see, right? So, and here's a AI portfolio review. If in your portfolio some points missing, so the AI will tell you, right, what point is missing in your portfolio, right? So now we click on profile button. Now we will click on profile button, and just here we need to fill up on information for resume, and this website is gonna be for resume builder as well as portfolio builder, right? So here is our profile, and we need to fill up our personal information here: full name, username, headline, I'm a full stack developer, and bio, passionate full stack developer with expertise in building model scalable web application, that's etc, right? And you also refine with, yeah, you also can refine your headline or as well as bio using AI, right? And here is our location, website link, and phone number, and click on save changes, right? And now we are going to portfolio builder, right? So here is our portfolio builder. Here we can add our project in it, two or more or three. How much you can add project here, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, whatever you right, right. And here is our skill section where we can add our skills in our resume. We can add our skills in our resume, right? And here is our experience section where we can add our experience. So my experience front-end developer intern in mobile Lucknow, right? Education, here we can add our education detail. And so yeah, and here is our social link, right? So from here we can add our social link: GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, website, email, etc, right? And now we are going to analytics, right? Here we can see what is the analytics of our website. Our website is grown or not, right? So here we can check. So there is a lot of thing: total views, project click this week, average day of view over time, device, from which device our website clicked, right? And browser and recent activity, right? And here we can see our resume section, so just we can click on it. Now here is a lot of, or here is a lot of, there is a lot of format for resume, or we can say theme, right? So uh, whatever information we filled up in the profile section, it is automatically put here, right? will put here. I sorry for that English. Sorry for English, right? So I'm trying to improve it, right? So this is our resume, and now we can create 15 more resume from here. Just click on it, minimal. Now the theme will change. Now if we click on creative, so now our resume will looks like, right. And now we will click on technical. So now the resume is now our resume is this. And now we will click on executive. So here is a lot of theme to make our resume good, right. So now there is a camera section. If we need to upload our photo with resume, so we can do from there, right. And here is a AI summary and edit mode. If you want to edit your resume as well, so you can edit from here, right. Like if you want to change this skills type clips, so you can change it, right. Yeah. So if you click on click on the download button, so your resume will download, right. Sorry for the English, because my English speaking skills is not very good, so I'm trying to improve. Yeah. And here is we can see our AI chat. So we can chat with AI, right. Hey, hi. So AI will respond, right. Welcome to Red Portfolio. Is there a video strong online presence of developer, what you need to with today, right. So now our setting section. So here, first we need to go to this section, view portfolio. So we will click on it. So just look at here, our portfolio build as well as resume with as well as resume, right. So as you can see, our portfolio, right. We don't need to create separate portfolio. We will just create our resume from here, right. So if you want to change the theme of the our portfolio, so just click on it, template, and select. There is a lot of theme for portfolio. So just we will click on minimal developer. And here we can friend family rendezvous, right. And our layout style is standard, right. So just click on it, save theme. And now again we will click on view portfolio button. And now we can see our portfolio is changed, right. Now we will try again, right. So we will click on this theme button. And we will click on modern tech, right. And standard is centered. And just save theme, view portfolio. Now as you can see, right. So you can create or made you can build a lot of resume as well as portfolio with, right. So this website is only made by the UI AI. Here I didn't write a single line of code, right. And here we can log out from their page, right. And here is our portfolio link. So and also we can change our mode of day portfolio like this, right. And dark to turn into dark mode. And here is also a change from there. And here is our section cursor button, right. Like where we click on it, the theme change right. Theme will change, uh, right. So yeah, this all website is made by the AI. We didn't I didn't write a single line of code. So this is the power of AI. And just try to understand, my English speaking skills is not very well, so I'm trying to improve. But whatever I said, just try to understand, right. So this is our website, which is made by the AI. And now you can observe how AI build a large scale application easily, and how AI improve our skills in today's era, right. and why developers jobs reduces, right? So we can have we can analyze why, right? So this is the only reason for that, right? And this website is only made by one prompt, right? You need to you need to take a one prompt and send to the cursor AI, or we can say Claude AI, and now after that you will see, or you can see, this is the result of that prompt, right? So first you need to prepare a good prompt, or you need to write a good prompt for that for application, if you want build a good application or scalable application. And this application also good at good at mobile screen, right? So thank you for watching, and just forgot what, just you have to forget what my English, because it's not good. So just, and you have to click on like and subscribe button, and to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.